Hey, hey, hey! And today, we're going to be talking about what is Deb doing in the kitchen today. I am Deb. You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal kitchen, home, and office consultant. And I thought I'd share with you today what I'm doing in the kitchen today. And I want to show you what my son and I did in the kitchen today. I think you'll get a kick out of it. We did a little experiment. We made peanut butter cookies. Now, I'm going to tell you about the experiment we did. You might be interested in this. There's a difference. What we did, well, we took the peanut butter recipe. We made them two different ways, kind of. The recipe said to roll the dough into balls. So when I scooped them out, in fact, my scooper broke and is not working anymore. I got to get a new cookie scooper. But we rolled them out. When we rolled them into balls, we did one tray ball with the rolling the dough in the ball on one tray. That wasn't. You can't really. This one's more flatter. This one has more designs in it because this was the one that was not rolled. The cookie dough was not rolled. Now, what I did discover, this was my mother's recipe. Her recipe says to leave it in the oven for 10 minutes. So I did 3 different batches and I tested it. This is what the recipe said on the back of the cookie. This is the back of the cookie. This is 10 minutes. They're a little, I don't know if you want to call it burnt toasty. These are the cookies my husband likes. Now, this is the 9 and I'm getting confused with the 9 and the 8 minute batch. But you can see there's a difference. Now the difference also in the cookies. The one that you cooked the last time is a lot softer. You're cooking baking it 2 minutes shorter. So it's a lot less time. So it's softer. The one that's a little burnt on the bottom, and this was a brand new cookie tray I used today, is harder. But you can also taste the peanut butter flavor a lot more in this one than you can this one. So I thought that was interesting. That really surprised me. So I wanted to share that with you because I know there's a lot of you that bake cookies over the holidays. And I wanted to test it here and see what actually is really going on. Now, next week, we're going to be getting out of the kitchen. We're doing the office challenge. We're going to recreate, revamp, renew, refresh your office. If you're interested in that free challenge, it's a 2-day challenge. And that's going to be in the group next week. Join Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration group. And bring a friend because you're going to need an accountability partner. If you don't have one, let me know. If you want one, I'll get you one. Or we'll put it in the post in the group. We'll work it out for you. So, now, that starts next week. And I'm going to give pre-homework starting today. I'm going in the group live after this, giving them their homework assignment before this challenge starts. Fun. This is going to be a fun one with markers. We're going to have so much fun. And crayons and whatever we want. It's going to be fun, fun, fun. Heck, the kids can even get involved in this one. It's going to be fun. But I wanted to share with you today what I'm doing in the kitchen. Now, what I'm going to do with the cookies, it's called freeze and eat, but I call it freeze some, eat some. And of course, I will be making more before the holidays for the actual Christmas time baking. But I wanted to share with you about that cooking tip and share it with you in case. So I want you to remember when you're following a recipe if you want the cookie harder or softer so that you remember my tips. So on that delicious peanut butter note, I am going to sign off. And because it's coffee time, if you guys know me, it's coffee time and it's time for a homemade peanut butter cookie. And I hope to see you in Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration for the wonderful challenge we're going to be doing. We're not doing a kitchen challenge this month. It's office. And we're going to have so much fun with this. Thank you very, very much, ladies, and I hope to see you in the group. Bye!